Welcome, Mama, to your ab rehab postpartum core recovery. I'm Lil Cherry, mom of two, currently 6 months postpartum. Today I'm sharing with you a 10-minute level 1 beginner ab rehab practice to begin to heal and activate your deep core and pelvic floor muscles after pregnancy. We've got today 8 exercises, 45 seconds on and 15 seconds breathing break in between. I'm going also to link the next level for you in the description box down below whenever you're ready to take it a little further. I've created a complete Diastasis Recti guide ebook for you to grab absolutely for free. In that guide, you will find everything you need to know about Diastasis Recti. What is it? Why you get it, how to heal it, and much, much more. It's available for you in the description box below as well. Without any further ado, let's get into work. We're going to begin our practice in a lying position. To protect your core, always make your way through the side into a lying position. Bend knees, place your feet hip distance apart. Go ahead and take your hands onto your hip bones. Rotate your pelvic ball upward and feel how the lower back pressing into the floor. If you're gonna take your hands, place the hands underneath the lower back. There should be no gap, no space. That's how we want to maintain our back in a lying position. Lay down. First exercise, breathing exercise. Place one hand onto the belly and one hand underneath the lower back. That's how we want to keep that lower back. On the inhale, breathe into the belly. Feel the belly expands. Exhale, squeeze that navel into the lower back into the floor. Inhale, breathe into the belly. Exhale, contract your core. Inhale, breathe into the belly. Exhale, squeeze, feel, imagine how your hip bones coming closer towards each other. One more, inhale, breathe into the belly. Exhale, actually now one more, inhale, breathe in. Exhale, breathe out. Beautiful. Keep that position. We want to avoid any doming or coning in your tummy and any gap in between the lower back and the floor during the exercises. Next, marching. Lift one leg and lower the other leg and lower. Keep one hand onto the belly and one hand underneath the lower back to remind you to avoid any gapping. Feel the belly nice and flat, constantly squeezing the navel into the lower back into the mat, and just march. Slow movement. There is nowhere to rush. You want to begin to feel your deep core muscles. Breathe. Last one. Beautiful. Take a break. Breathe into your tummy. Expand, exhale, squeeze. One more. Inhale, breathe into your tummy. Exhale, squeeze. Next, heel slides. You're gonna extend one leg in front of you and bring it back in. The other leg long out in front of you and then back in. Good. Squeezing the navel to the lower back into the floor. You're already supposed to feel a nice firing sensation in your deep core muscles. Move slow and mindfully. Working to reignite, reactivate your deep core. Breathe. Last one. Take a break. Breathe in into your tummy. Exhale, squeeze. hip bones towards each other. Inhale, breathe into your tummy. Exhale, squeeze. Bring your shin bones into a tabletop position, toe taps. Tap one toe, lift. The other, lift. Now here you would like, your belly would like to begin to round, so avoid any doming. Keep squeezing that lower back, that navel into the lower back into the floor. Can you feel that? Oh yes. Relax your shoulders, relax your neck. Use only your deep core to move your legs up and down. Last one. Place your feet down, breathe into your tummy. Exhale, squeeze. Vacuum. Inhale. Expand. Exhale. Bridge poses. You're gonna lift your hips nice and high. Exhale, lower. As you lower, squeeze the lower back into the floor. Inhale, lift. Exhale, lower. Inhale, lift. Exhale, lower. Inhale, lift. And lower. Moving slow, inhale. Exhale, squeeze. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Inhale. Exhale. Last one. Beautiful. Now flip into all fours through the side, coming into tabletop position, bird dog. Shoulders on top of the wrist, hips on top of your knees. Inhale, right arm forward, left leg behind you, pause, lower down. Switch. Down, switch. Glue the navel to the lower back. Make sure that your belly is not hanging here. You can always place one hand to the belly and check. So you want to create a vacuum, sucking in the belly. Moving with the breath. And pause, take a breath in. Now here I want you to inhale, breathe into your tummy. Exhale, squeeze it in. Inhale, breathe into the tummy, tummy expands. Exhale, squeeze it in. Good, fire hydrant, come down to your forearms. Begin to bring one knee in line with the hip and lower. Inhale, lift, pause at the top and lower. Suck that navel in and up. Vacuum that belly. Breathe. You can always bring the gaze to your tummy and check in if the tummy is just hanging there. We want to avoid that. You want to squeeze that navel to the lower back. Beautiful. Stay here. Breathe into your tummy. Inhale, tummy expands. Exhale, squeeze in. Inhale, tummy expands. Exhale, breathe in. Good. Keep that. Moving to the other side. Fire hydrant. Move slow. Inhale, up. Exhale, lower. Inhale, up. Exhale, lower. Move with the breath. Use your deep core. Keep sucking that navel towards the lower back. Last one. Stay in this position. Inhale, breathe into your tummy. Exhale, squeeze. Inhale, breathe into your tummy. Exhale, squeeze. Good. Next one, side plank. Bring the forearm to the floor. Extend the legs back behind you. If you need to modify, you're gonna lower the bottom knee down. Hand onto your hip. Lift your hips as high as you can. Use your oblique here. Just hold. Breathe. Check your tummy. Can you feel your tummy firm? I want you to squeeze it in. Just hold and breathe. Almost there. We have one more side to do and we're done. You got this, mama. Breathe. One more breath. Slowly lower yourself down to your knees. And let's move onto the other side. Get ready, forearm down, extend your legs, and lift your hips nice and high. Just breathe. Check your tummy. Keep squeezing that navel to the lower back. Keep it nice and tight and breathe. Almost there. Put your hips a little higher. One more breath. And lower down. Beautiful. Well done, mama. If you have a little bit more time, I will suggest to repeat this practice one more time. Thank you so much for sharing your practice with me today. I hope you felt your deep core muscles on fire. Let me know that by sharing a fire emoji in the comments down below. Also, I would like to know how far along you are with your postpartum recovery and how much gap you are trying to heal. If you don't know what your Diastasis Recti gap is just yet, I've linked a video in the description below that will help you to find out how deep and wide your ab separation is. And remember to grab my free guide with everything you need to know about Diastasis Recti. And just in case, if this practice was too easy peasy for you and you're ready to take it to the next level, go ahead and hop right away into level 2 practice. Again, thank you so much from my heart to yours. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.